Hole number 1 they called him. Been down there since 48 she has. My grandfather drove her on the slate line back then. This old girl carried the slate out of here for 50 years. Hard work it was. She holds many memories for my family. It's strange to see the water cover it all. This line meant everything to my family, you know. She was a fine engine in her day. It's time someone else looked after her now. Goodbye, old friend. You were a part of our family for generations, and you'll stay here forever now.
Keep the tension steady. We're still listing slightly to the left.
Confirmed. The dents on the side tank are compromising the lift points.
Easy now, just a fraction more.
Looks good from here.
All right, hold it, we're set.
This corrosion on the smoke box is severe. It's a full overhaul.
Tom, did you get the reading on the side tank dent?
Yes, about 4 inches deep. Logging it now.
Okay, steady now. We're reading exactly 38.2 millimetres on the flange.
That confirms the excessive wear near the throat. Lena, check the corrosion levels there. These markers indicate significant pitting near the side tank. We need a deeper analysis here.
Agreed.
Okay, lift on my signal, steady. It's moving clear, look at that build-up. Steady, easy lift now.
Look at the chimney base, right there.
Yes, those dents are worse than we thought.
Easy now, she's loose.
Got it. Looks rough.
Log that one under critical oxidation, Marcus.
All right, this one's really seized.
Need more torque, or should I keep prepping this tank?
Watch the wiring near the cab, Marcus. Steady now, lift clear. Watch the trim.
Watch the trim.
Seal secured.
Staging looks good, team. We're right on schedule.
I just finished tagging the driving wheel.
And the electrical components are all accounted for here.
How's the clarity on that side, Tom?
Nearly perfect, Lena. This compound is working well.
Keep it tight around the bunker, Tom.
Looks good here. Marcus, check this seam.
We need a little more slack on the front.
The fan pattern is spot on.
Flawless mirror finish, Tom. We're ready for the tanks.
Keep it moving slowly, Tom. We want even coverage and consistent bubbling.
The alignment is spot on, Marcus. Not a micron of deviation.
We have ignition.
Noted. Steady climb on the gauges.
Applying steady pressure now.
Brakes are fully engaged. Contact is uniform.
My grandfather drove this very engine. Seeing her now, it brings back so many memories of the old days. It's perfect.